everybody, how are you all doing? This is Abhirambika Ravi Varman. I am a life coach, and today I have this interesting August month Lifefulness box, which I'm going to unbox it right now. And for the ones who are seeing this for the first time, this is the box which is exclusive for women. And why we thought, and this was launched this year in March. So why we thought of this box is women generally tend to, care a lot about wellness of other people, and there is, very little time and effort that we put on ourselves. So this time we thought we should do something for something which is exclusive and something where we start working on ourselves, and that's how this box was brought about. And it's been doing really well. We've been getting a lot of subscriptions, and the beauty about this is this comes to your house and you have quite a lot of interesting things in it. One thing is a lot of surprise, because you don't know what's coming up for the month in the box. The second thing is there is a DIY which is helping you to stay in your creative side, right? And you can decorate your house with the stuff that we're giving you as a DIY. The next thing is there are a lot of things for you to work on yourself. There is a coaching topic which is coming up every single month. And this month also we have a coaching worksheet or a reflective coaching aspect that has been given in the box. So you could work on yourself, and slowly over the period of time, once you subscribe to the box, you start seeing that amazing transformation in yourself. And that was the idea for the box. So let's have a peek into what we have for the August box. Okay. So live lifefully, and this is what I keep telling all the time. So lifefulness, the way we brought about this word is for LIF, we live with inner focus and evolve with fullness, and that's how lifefulness is a word that we were able to coin. So the idea is to enjoy every aspect of our life, to really start looking at life from a very, very positive angle, and that's what this box is also going to help you with. Okay. So this is our first thing that I've been able to, the idea of coaching, right? To taking coaching to you like a self-help, while you could work with me and I can coach you with any of your challenges or any of your goals. But there is this box which is coming to you as well with small coaching concepts. So you start acting on different aspects of your wellness, and that is how this is. So this has something on emotions, so look out for it. Okay, so the next thing is we also keep doing a lot of work on mindfulness, right? So this is a 500 rupees discount coupon. So if you have ordered this box, there is in September, there is the next batch of 15 days, 15 minutes of mindfulness is starting. So you could enroll for that as well. So this is like a double dhamaka what you get in the box. Along with it, you also get this where you're going to be able to use it for the next workshop that's coming up. And mindfulness has been one of the important things that has changed my life. It has helped me really transform. So I thought this will be a good thing as well. Okay, so the next thing we have is something for you to eat, a lot of almonds. So we want you to stay healthy, so we're trying to give you that this month. Okay, so the next interesting thing is these ramekins, and I love making some desserts using ramekins because this is small and easy to eat. It's like a short dessert. You don't have to indulge too much. So we've given 2 of these ramekins for you to bake. There is also a recipe, lot of ramekin recipes that you can find on the internet, and we've put a link to a cheesecake which is done by one of my dear friends. She runs a blog, and I'm in this page, in the August month page in my website, the link is also given below. There is this interesting no-bake cheesecake. You could make that with these ramekins, or you could make anything. Just look for any recipes and you'll be able to do. Okay. There's also a hand cream which we have put in. So this hand cream, obviously now sitting at home and working from home, there's a lot more piping, lot more of washing vessels, lot more is going on, and you're using your hands a lot. So we thought we should give you something to keep those hands really soft. Okay. So this is a fun thing. I mean, for your stressed, legs, or for your neck that you're sitting and working for too long, put in some hot water into this pouch and then try to keep here and massage yourself, and this is really helpful. Why have we chosen a small one? Because even for your hands, when we do these light small warm water massages, it helps you. So that's why we thought this will be also something exciting for you. Okay, and this is more like a work from home kit, isn't it? So we thought we should give you a glass. This is a blue glass, so every time you're sitting on your computer trying to work your eyes, please try and use this. So if you're not someone who wears a glass, but you are someone who are using a lot more of your computer, please try and use it. And if you have a child at home, probably you could give it to the child as well. And in our house, all of us are using this now because it's too much of system access and system usage that we're doing. So that's why we thought of giving this as well. So there are, in different boxes, different styles, different glasses are going out. Some are unisex glasses, and this box has been specifically done for another lady. So you can gift this to somebody if you think, you don't want to use it, but if you want to use it as well. So that's how this is here. Okay, so this is one more thing, and I'm not opening this packet to show you, but this is fresh lemongrass. So I have that here. This is what we've put there. So we grow a lot of lemongrass, and why we've put some fresh lemongrass is for you to have a nice, satisfying, relaxing lemongrass tea. So all you have to do is take one or two of these, put it in your regular tea. If you want to have a milk tea, that's good, but I would suggest have a plain non-milk tea. So put in some tea, either a tea bag or some tea leaves, boil this, and then try to have, you can make this into hot tea, which is also very relaxing and very calming. You can also make this, freeze it up, and then you can use it as an iced tea, and lemongrass iced tea, which is very good. So other things you could do with lemongrass is put it in some oil, like put in some mixture of few oil, like coconut oil, add few drops of olive oil or almond oil, and put these inside that, and let it boil for some time and let it soak in it for overnight, and then try and use that oil, which is very relaxing and soothing. So that's why we gave you fresh lemongrass. And coming to our DIY, so this is the last thing in the box this time, and this time we have another fun stuff. So you must be wondering, why is this plant out here? So this is, I've just used this to, we keep making a lot of these with the paper, waste paper, newspaper. We have an NGO where we are able to do this, so we've been able to source this and give it to many people. And what we thought was give you the experience of doing something like this. So we've made it quite easy. So we have the glue here. Okay, so we've rolled these into smaller circular ones, and you also have a DIY. So one of my team members is going to be doing and showing how to use this and make a small bowl, maybe a key holder or something like that. So we have quite a lot of that, which we have rolled already and put in for you. All you have to do is make something fun. You could make a necklace out of it. You can make anything right out of this. So we've put that, and how this gets rolled is a sheet of paper which is being glued together and rolled this way, and this is the this is what has been used here, or this has been rolled this way, just rolling it like this and making a circular one. So we have these, which I thought we'll show you. I mean, this is, all of you already know it. To weave this into a basket is like this. You can use baskets like this. Now this is a thought, you can work with your newspaper from home, right? And we thought, okay, let's give you a smaller, simpler one to try initially, and that's how this kit has been made, right? So this is what we have for this month's August box. Quite an exciting box. Again, another thing is, this box is a very sturdy box. It can be used to organize stuff in your house. We use it also. We've put in our stationery, we put in our bills in one box like that. So every month you receive a box. Don't worry about it. This has been made for you to make your life more and more simple and easy. So use this as an organizing box. So thank you very much. I'm sure you would have liked this month's box, and subscribe for our September box as well, and many other boxes that are coming up. We have a lot and lot of exciting things to give you. See you and take care. Live lightfully.